sitting with my clients, knowing my clients, the relationships with my clients, the connection over something that we have both shared was always my favorite thing. During 2020, it was the perfect opportunity for me to step away from the studio. We closed our studio when the state required that we close the studio, and I never reopened it. And that's what I wanted to do. As terrible as COVID was, that period of time for everyone was just so challenging. But it did afford me the opportunity to stop and really think about what I wanted. After that, I just started doing research. Believe me, I already had a lot of research. I already knew a lot of things that were going to be really helpful to me, from sitting with women in the consultation or having somebody in my chair and learning about what their hair loss journey's been like. And then I knew that women needed somebody who wasn't their doctor, who wasn't their family, their partner, their girlfriends. One thing I know is family can be great. Your family, your partner, you can have the most supportive, but there are still times where you're going to end up feeling like invalidated, like they don't get it. And the reason is because they don't get it. And that's not their fault. They're really trying to be supportive, but they can even try to say the most supportive thing, and you just feel like, I don't feel heard. I don't feel seen. I feel really alone in this. Everybody wants to come rally around you and encourage you and say, don't worry about it. It's okay. It's going to be fine. You're still gorgeous. Or I can't see it. Or let's go get you a great wig. You can wear every color, or you can. And sometimes you just, as well-meaning as they are, you just want somebody to say, you know what? Yeah, this sucks. I'm so sorry. Not because you want to be told it's terrible, but just because you want somebody to hear you saying that it's terrible.